security loopholes. The third technical session had a panel discussion on tracking hackers and gathering legally admissible evidence against them. Dr. Karmeshu, Professor, School of Computer Science and Systems, JNU, moderated the discussion. The eminent panelists for the session were Dr. Sachin Pandey, CEO and President, AGAP Incorporation, Mr. Omveer Singh, Joint Director, Computer Emergency Response Team, Ms. Karnika Seth, Advocate, Supreme Court and Cyberlaw Expert, Dr. Rakesh Srivastava, Chief Information Officer, Supreme Court of India, who enlightened us on legal, ethical and social behavior related to security, intellectual property and cybercrime. The panelists deliberated on different cyber laws, computer forensics, Information Technology Act, confronting different cyber crimes. We, however, aspire to get a more deeper insight in this front from Sri Pavan Duggal sir, who is an eminent personality in this area. I would like to conclude the outcome of today's summit that there is a greater need to contrive sound security systems, increase cybersecurity awareness, and develop a techno-legal base for convicting cyber criminals, which will stand as a befitting reply to the cyber threats. I firmly believe that the thought-provoking lectures by our esteemed delegates will go a long way in exploring new dimensions of cybersecurity and exhort our students to become the next generation cybersecurity leaders. Thanks.
I now request Sri Pavan Duggal to kindly deliver the valedictory address. So please.
Let's cross the road across the hotel and move on to Nehru Place. The year is 2007. There's a big company, the market leader in the area of data recovery. It's got a software on data recovery that is a market leader, has almost more than 65% of the market share. It's got its own team of developers. One guy in the developers team has got some ideas. He has the access to the source code. He takes a copy of the source code, gets it on a CD, and then walks out of the office, announces his resignation, says, "I'm not coming." Well, in this IT industry where attrition is very high, the company believes it's a normal exit by a normal employee. Actually, that's not the position. A few weeks later, the company realizes that there's a new competitor in the market. This new competitor is this gentleman who has left you. The company further realizes that this new competitor has come up with an exactly same product as the company's product. And they are selling it in the market on the internet under a different name. Great. They go as a decoy customer, order for the product is purchased online. Once the product is purchased, they make an apple-to-apple comparison between that product and their product. And they are surprised. If you look at the source code, it appears that the new product has exactly copied the source code. Word by word, symbol by symbol, character by character, and so and so, errors by errors. So and so, when they realize that when they go into this, the product, in some of the modules, they find their own company's email address and their own company's names in some of the files of the product that the other parties sell. Obviously, this is a classical case of the guy going away, walking to the source code, thinking that he will be able to get away. This guy is smart. He's more than about 75 odd websites. On different websites, he's selling this product. On an average, the sales are roughly about 25 lakhs a day. Now, that's the kind of money that's going on. We realize we are up against a tall order. We go to CBI. CBI, after a lot of convincing, finally registers a case under the source code theft, section 65 of the IT Act, and also under the Copyright Act. Well, but the CPI is slow. It's taking its time. And every day, 25 odd lakhs of money is being generated by him on different websites.